One of my subscribers requested for guidance on how to apply for a US visa. So this is like a reaction video to meet up to her needs. That is a reaction video to answer that question. My name is Alaba. I'm a travel enthusiast and a content creator. If today is your first time here, welcome on board. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you. In this video, I'm going to let you know how to apply for a US visa, regardless of your purpose of visit, be it for work, for study, or if you're traveling for visiting. The first thing you have to do is to visit www.ustraveldocs.com. I'm going to put the website on the screen. When you get to the landing page, you click on how to apply for a US visa. After clicking on this, it shows you a confirmation to click your location. This location comes in different alphabetical order. So it's from A to Z. You have to, for instance, if you're applying from, let's say, Denmark or South Africa, if it's Denmark, you click on D, then a drop down pops up for you to follow the process. And if you're applying from, let's say, South Africa, for instance, you click on S, then a drop down of countries that begins from S pops up, then you click your country as the case may be. All right. And the next step is for you to know your visa type. Note that there are two categories of visas if you want to visit the US. The first is a non-immigrant visa, and the second one, it's an immigrant visa. I'm going to explain these two further in the video. Non-immigrant visa, as the name implies, is for applicants who intend to visit the US for a short period of time. They don't have any immigrant intent, namely study visa, that is the F1 visa, visit visa, that is the regular B1, B2, and J1 visa, and so on. Then for immigrant visas are visas for applicants who intend to relocate to the US, i.e. if the applicants, let's say, won the DV lottery, or any member of his or family is filing a petition for the applicant. The next thing you have to do is to complete the visa application form. If it's a non-immigrant visa, you fill the non-immigrant visa electronic application form, which is called the DS-160. And if you're applying for an immigrant visa, you fill the immigrant visa electronic application form called the DS-260. Okay? So in this form, you are going to fill your biographic information, namely your name, your address, your passport number, the country you're applying from, your address, the places you've worked, the countries you've traveled to before. If you are married, that is your marital status. If you are single, if you are married, if you are divorced, if you are a widow, you fill all this information, okay? And you have to also fill the places you want to visit in the US. That is your purpose of travel. If you've applied for a visa before, if you have been refused before, all this information have to be filled. You also need to fill if you've been arrested before. You have to also fill some security questions, some background questions as well. After filling all this information, you need to pay the visa fee. The visa fee is $185 US. Okay, depending on where you're applying from, you have to pay the equivalent. After completing your DS-160 or DS-260 application form, you need to upload your picture. After uploading your picture, then you acknowledge the fact that all the information you filled in this form is correct and is that you are being honest and truthful to the best of your ability. After doing this, then you click on submit and you download the confirmation page of the DS-160 for your own safety, because you are going to need the DS-160 confirmation during the course of the interview. The next thing you have to do is to schedule an appointment for your visa interview. Okay, you go to the US Department of State website, that is the US traveldocs.com once again. Then you click on login. After clicking on login, if you have a profile, you just input your login details. But if you don't have a profile, you click on new user. After clicking on new user, you input your email address, your biographic information, your name and address, your email address, your phone number. After inputting all this information, a confirmation email will be sent to your registered email address for you to change your password and log in. After logging in, you need to create a profile. You input your name once again, your residential address, your email address, your phone number. You also need to impute the DS-160 confirmation number. Remember that part of this process is for you to fill the visa electronic application form. After completing this form, a number will be generated. It's called the DS-160 confirmation number. You'll need this confirmation number to complete the booking of your appointment. Okay? After imputing this number, then the next phase is for you to pick up your delivery option. If your visa is approved, if you want the passport mailed to your residential address, or you prefer to go to the pickup location to pick your document. Okay? And after paying the application fee, an MRV number will also be generated for you. Before you can book an appointment, you also need to impute this MRV number. That is the receipt number generated from your payment. You input that there. After inputting that number, then a drop down of the available dates will be displayed. If you want early appointment, let's say for 7 o'clock, 7:30, is in different time slots. So you pick the one that is okay for you, then you wait till that day to go for your interview. If you are successful during the course of your interview, a white slip will be given to you. On this white slip, it indicates how you're going to pick up your visa and how long it's going to take for you to get your visa. That is the duration of the time it's going to take them to do their visa stamping and to courier your passport if to your residential address, depending on the pickup option you selected, or to the pickup location you selected. Okay, if you find this video useful, kindly like the video, and if you are yet to subscribe, please subscribe to my channel to support me. Thank you for your time, and see you on the next one. Bye.